Want to smell this? Just like the Northern Rockies.
Ew! Hi, I'm Katie Beltkamp, co-founder of Simply Earth and certified aromatherapist, and I love teaching people how to use essential oils. And this is why I created the Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box. The Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box is the best way to learn how to use essential oils, and this month we're learning how to diffuse. Diffusing essential oils doesn't have to be boring, and I'm here to teach you how to diffuse essential oils like a pro. But don't take our word for it, we have over 5,000 5-star reviews. Join the community of people who have made the switch from toxic product to natural using the Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box. Learn how to make your own toxin-free air fresheners and easy on-the-go diffusers that will help elevate your lifestyle. Subscribe to the Simply Earth Recipe Box today.
High quality oils, pure.
Each month you get 4 oils and recipes and things to make your recipes.
13% of their profits go to ending human trafficking.
Oh my goodness! Oh, I can't wait to use this!
With a new theme each month, you'll learn how to actually use your oils. You get to make fun recipes because you get all the ingredients you need. Potpourri is filled with nasty chemicals. Make your own with this spiced summer potpourri bark. This cute keychain functions as a diffuser and accessory. You don't have to go to a party and get pressured to buy things, but you still get to have fun. Plus, you can cancel at any time.
How much is it?
On your first subscription, you get over $100 value for only $29.99. The big bonus box, hero course, essential oil community, exclusive discount, free shipping, and a no-risk guarantee. You'll save money, get the confidence of a toxin-free lifestyle, and it's all delivered right to your door.
It's here! Are these even pure?
Each oil is 100% pure and backed by a GCMS test. Just enter the code on our website and see the GCMS test results. Here are the pure oils in this month's recipe box. Simply Earth's Fit Essential Oil Blend helps prevent emotional snacking. Peppermint Essential Oil is uplifting and energizing. Yeah. Anise Star is a great cleaner for your home and is uplifting. Clove Essential Oil is another great cleaner, and I love the way it smells. So sweet and spicy.
Spicy.
Woohoo! You also get these fun extras. No synthetic fillers, fragrances, or toxic chemicals ever. What are you waiting for? Try Simply Earth today and diffuse like a master.
Okay.